Hello and welcome to JAL Project Management. In today's video, we will dive into the paths to achieving the PMP certification from PMI. Okay, so whether you are a seasoned project manager or relatively new to the field, this certification can elevate your career to a new height. There are 7 steps to achieving and maintaining your PMP certification. Let's break down these 7 required steps, requirements, and tips to help you on your PMP certification journey. But first, what is PMP certification? So, the PMP certification is a globally recognized credential for project managers offered by the Project Management Institute, PMI. It validates your ability to manage projects effectively using best practices and methodologies. With over a million PMP certified professionals worldwide, this certification is a testament to your expertise in project management. This pretty much means that the PMP certificate is not a starting point to becoming a project manager. Okay. So, what it is or does is that it validates your experience as a project manager. So, let's discuss these 7 steps to PMP certification. Step one: before you can apply for the PMP exam, you need to ensure you meet the PMP eligibility criteria. There are 2 main pathways to getting certified as a project management professional. One is based on your educational background, that is, being a college graduate, having completed a bachelor's degree or higher. For those with a 4-year degree or bachelor's degree, you will need to have at least 36 months of project management experience. That is, leading and directing projects for 36 months and 35 hours of project management education. We will discuss later in the video on how to achieve the project management education requirements. The other path to meeting the eligibility requirement is to have a high school diploma or an associate degree plus a 60-month experience as a project manager and the 35 hours PMP required education. Step two: enroll in project management education. Okay. Once you've met the experience requirements, the next step is to complete the 35 hours of project management education. This can be done through various methods. One, PMI authorized training partners. So, PMI approved courses are available both online and in person. These courses are specifically designed to align with the PMP exam content outline. You also have universities programs. Many universities offer project management courses that fulfills the education requirement. You also have online learning platforms, websites that offer courses that can count towards your 35 hours required education. But make sure the courses are PMI aligned. Here at JAL Project Management, we also help prep candidates for the PMP exam with a 99% success rate. So, if you are interested, please email at jalpro.management@gmail.com. So step 3 is to apply for the PMP exam. Okay. Now that you've met the experience and educational requirements, it is time to apply for the PMP exam. There are 4 steps. Step 1 is to create a PMI account. That is, you go to the PMI website and create an account. This will be your hub for managing your certification process. Number 2 is to complete the application. So the application process requires you to detail your project management experience and education. Be prepared to provide specific examples and references. Number 3 is application review. So once you've submitted your application, PMI may take up to 5 business days to review your application. If selected for an audit, you will need to provide documentation for your experience and education. Step 4, pay the exam fee. Okay. Once your application is approved, you will need to pay the exam fee. Okay. Currently, the fees are PMI members $405 and non-members $555. So becoming a PMI member also gives you access to additional resources, including the PMBOK guidebook, which is essential for exam preparation. Step 4, schedule the exam. So once your application is approved and the fee is paid, you can schedule your exam. The PMP exam is a computer-based test with 180 questions, which you will need to complete in 230 minutes. Okay. The questions are a mix of multiple choice, multiple responses, matching hotspot, and fill in the blank. The exam is divided into 3 domains. One is people, which consists of 42%. The people part focuses on leading and managing a project team. So the second part is processes, which consists of 50% of the exam. The processes emphasizes the technical aspect of project management. Then you have the third part, which is business environment, which comprises of just 8% of the exam. This part focuses on understanding the connection between projects and organizational strategy. The exam can be taken online with live proctoring or in person. Step 5, prepare for the PMP exam. Proper preparation is key to passing the PMP exam. Okay. Study materials, you can use the PMBOK guide and other PMI recommended study materials, and make use of online forums and study groups. Take as many practices as possible. Okay. This will help you get familiar with the exam format and time constraint. You can also enroll in PMP prep courses, either in person or online. These courses provide guided study plan, tips, and practice Questions create study schedule that allows you to cover all exam topics, allocate time for review and practices. Step 6, take the exam on exam day. All right. So be prepared. Ensure you have everything you need for the exam, including a valid ID, any required documentation, and a quiet environment if taking the exam online. Stay calm, manage your time during the exam, and take breaks if needed. The PMP exam is very, very challenging, to be honest, but with thorough preparation, you can succeed. So, after you completed the exam, it used to be that you will receive your scores immediately after completing the exam. But now, because of all the exam malpractices, PMI will take 24 to 48 hours to review your exam before you are notified. A passing score will earn you the PMP certification. Hey, congratulations, you are now a certified project management professional. So, after getting your certificate, you will need to maintain your certification by continuing certification requirements, otherwise known as CCR. You will need to earn 60 professional development units every 3 years to maintain your PMP status. Engage in continuing education, attend courses, webinars, or conferences related to project management. Creating content, then you will need to renew your certificate. Yep, it's all about the money. Pay the renewal fee before the end of your 3 year cycle to keep your certification active. Achieving your PMP certification is a journey that requires dedication and preparation. It's a credential that can open doors to new career opportunities and significantly enhance your professional credibility. Whether you are just starting or well into your project management career, following these steps will set you on the path to success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on professional development and career advancement. Good luck on your PMP journey. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.